This is my shop, and I invented this tool, and what it's for is, if you've ever been in a public building, they got a fire suppression system, and this little glass bulb right here, if it breaks, there's water comes out. I've got one hooked up outside, okay? What I've done is I've made a tool that if you accidentally break that you can stop the water without shutting the main off, or even going there and getting any maintenance people. This is a typical escutcheon that goes in the wall. So if I was going to try to stop this one, I would break the ceiling tile possibly, pull this escutcheon off, and then I would be able to take my tool, stick it between the forks of it, stick it up in the escutcheon, in between the forks of it, and clamp it off, and it would stop the flow of water without ever. If you had this in your toolbox or on your lift and you happen to break one of those glass bulbs off, you could clamp it off without even calling maintenance. Then get down, it would there'd be a lot less water damage because it would hold the water in the main also. So I think it could stop at least, you know, all the water pressure from coming down. So we're gonna go out in the yard, and I'm probably going to get a little bit wet because if you broke one of these, you'd expect to get wet. So we're going to see if I can do it live. We got it hooked up probably around 60 psi, which I know building water mains get higher than that, but it'll give you an idea how the tool works. So let's go try it. Okay, we're outside now. Here's a typical fire head, and I'm going to go ahead and turn water onto it so you're going to see it sprinkle. Got my tool here, see how wet or how fast I can get it shut off. Alright, so cut, we'll pick it up with water spraying out of it. Okay, so the water main's broke. It's getting water all over everything. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to try to cap it off. Capped off. Problem solved. There you go. It's got a little shield that diverts the water away from you. When the water main's off, you can actually let it go and back off. Let's try it again. Shut it off again. So if you're interested in this tool, get a hold of me. I'm going to see if I can start making them and selling them. So let me know if you have any interest in them. Appreciate your time.